I've always liked the idea of animojis, and I feel like AR emojis are also a great idea. I feel like this is the direction that all phones should go. I love that they have a very, very detailed makeup and beauty mode, and also the fact that there's a lavender phone. I feel like Samsung is going into the whole market where I lost.
All right, to the next person.
Hey, it's David Amell. I am not particularly happy with the Samsung Galaxy S9 because it just feels like it's a rehash of the Galaxy S8 with new software features, and new software features can always be added via update. So I kind of wish that they went for a new body design, but I understand that they want to wait for the 10th iteration to make that huge design change.
But you're going to ask the question?
Yes.
Jaime Rivera with Pocket Now. I love the conservative design. I feel that design needed to stick a little longer. I love the dual cameras. I wish they did wide angle, but the mechanical aperture is great. Software seems good. I feel that it's promising. I like that Samsung is not copying another company to get its way. That's me.
Awesome. You're the first one to go under 20 seconds.
I thought you were going to introduce yourself. Hey guys, it's John Blasco here with Phoneria, formerly of AA. Okay, for me it's more of an S8S device than anything else. Animojis, kind of novel, messed me up. I did both female and male. I messed up my hair both times, so it is what it is. To me it's just an incremental upgrade. Would I pass on it? Probably so.
All right, perfect. All right, on to the next one.
Okay.
Nobody understands what variable aperture even is. Photographers, when they want to have different apertures because they're really good at photography, they're not going to go 1.5 to 2.4. They're going to go like 1.5 to 8. Right? If you really care about photography, it's too small of a gap. I don't even understand what the point of that variable aperture even is.
Hi, I'm Michael Josh from gadgetmatch.com. It's iterative, but that's okay. It's still one of the best looking phones out there. The camera technology many people might not appreciate, but it's actually been improved. And emojis, or AR emojis, not so good, not so nice. I like the new color, and my only problem is that it's so expensive.
I'm Daniel Bader, I'm managing editor of Android Central. More of the same, but it's still going to be one of the best and most popular phones of the year. Samsung knows what it's doing, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Camera needs to be the best. If it's not going to fly for the majority of people who want that feature. And for me, that's my biggest and most important compromise.
Hey, I'm Chris Velasco from Engadget, and Josh, I guess you want to ask me a question or something?
Yes,
relatively innovative, like the dual camera idea in theory, at least in terms of the aperture. I'm not super sold on it. Frankly, I'd rather have 10 Nokia 1s. Boom, done. I don't even need the rest of the time.
10 Nokia 1s?
10 Nokia 1s, man. Think about it. That's a combined total of 50 megapixels. 50 megapixels, 10 Nokia 1s. Actually, that's less than what you'd pay for a Galaxy S9.
Fair enough. Well, on that note, on to the next one.
God, fine.
Hey guys, David from theunlockr. I think it's a nice little upgrade over the S8 and the S8 Plus. It feels a little more solid. There's something about the design. It feels a little heavier and more dense, which I like. The intelligent unlock actually works really well, which I was surprised by. The camera has a nice bump in spec. It does really well low light shots. So long as things aren't moving, there's son of a... That's that.
On to the next one.
Bye.
Hello, I'm Charlene, reviews editor at Engadget. We're talking in the press room right now, so we gotta be very quiet, okay? It looks exactly the same, and the selfie camera has not changed all that much. I don't really like that. I need better selfies always and all the time. The makeup thing is not the best. I've tried other apps and they're a lot better, but I do love me some AR emojis because it looks more like me than people of other ethnic types have tried.
Oh yeah, I'm Nicole Scott from Mobile Geeks.
I would have loved to have heard.
Oh my god! I don't want to sound like a racist.
Bye.